How to increase daily transaction limit in RBC or Royal Bank of Canada. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to increase your daily transaction limits in RBC. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you have to make sure that you have your online banking account and then log in into your online banking account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page. Unfortunately, due to some security concern, the interface won't appear. So I'm just going to instruct you. The steps are very simple. As you're logged into your account, from the account homepage, you have to go to account summary page and you need to go ahead and select daily transaction limits under my services on the right side of the page. As you do that, you need to go ahead and click on edit limit above the daily transaction limit table on the right hand side corner and select the daily transaction limit in RBC according to your preference. So that's how simple it is to increase your daily transaction limit in RBC. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.